The tour in association with ZTV.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे?
Hi, my name is Salman Khan.
Hi guys, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
Hi, this is Prabhu Deva.
Hey everyone, this is Jacqueline Fernandez.
Hey guys, मैं हूँ सूरज पंचोली.
Hey guys, this is Daisy Shah.
Hi, this is Manish Paul. What's up guys, this is Badshah.
Hi, this is Kumar Khan.
Tour up the year. Catch you all live.
For the Bang Tour. Be ready for the tour.
So you guys better be there.
See you guys soon.
Be there.
See you soon!
Till then, be cool, be safe, be happy.
On Saturday, 16th September at Barclaycard Arena, Birmingham, and on Sunday, 17th September at the O2 Arena, London. For more information and tickets, visit thebang.uk.
Okay, and up next... and talk about throwing one off their guard, I have to say. Now, I have to be very frank with you. I am honoured to be in the presence of a man who has come back to the UK after 12 years. Now, he is considered now, he's considered by many as a sultan of Bollywood and a bhaijan to many. Each of his films have given us a kick, you can see where I'm going with this, and hours of endless entertainment. Now, with numerous hits under his belt, such as Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, Judwan, Sajan, Hum Saath Saath Hain, just not to name a few. Not only is he a tremendous actor, a dancer, a singer, but he's a bona fide philanthropist too. Jenkins.
On behalf of our chairman, Mr. Aliraja Subhaskaran, and I would like to, I'm the group, like a mobile group, I would like to welcome everybody for the Bang Tour London.
There's no vision at all.
Talk about short, sweet and simple.
Yeah, you know, I stopped doing shows because the shows started getting really, really long and very tacky and very boring. There was no production value to them. We just couldn't keep up with, you know, the rest of the world. Till when Sohail promised me that, you know, we'll have a really good production value, which he gave us in Australia, Hong Kong, and New Zealand, and it was the show was really appreciated. It was like, you know, sold out, and yeah, people quite liked it. I was really, अरे कैसी हैं आप? दुल्हन की तरह नहीं आई आप? Naila, that's your mom, right? Hi.
Oh, that's
Hi,
nice.
hi.
So on behalf of everyone in the UK,
I've known her when she was 17 years old.
Wow.
Yeah. I've known her since then. I've known her, not 70, 17.
Wow. That's amazing. Can I just say on behalf of everyone in the UK, everyone here, we have missed you. And
Thank
we are
you.
truly glad that you're here. And Sohail bhai, I know you're here as well at the end there. Thank you so much for bringing him back.
Yes.
Just now picking up from where they left off, and they've already performed together, so everyone's, you know, they all know their acts.
Fantastic.
So excited to have you join us. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. We couldn't do this without you.
I'm actually stressing because I'm the only one who's like hadn't performed this act yet. They all have, but I'm really looking forward to being part of the show. It's really fun, and I know that everyone's really excited to have Salman back here. So just performing for all the fans. On the numbers that we have together as well will be really exciting.
Excellent.
सलमान, मैंने आपसे ये पूछना था कि आपका क्या राज है कि हर लड़की का दिल आपके लिए ही धड़कता है?
एक वक्त ऐसा हुआ करता था, अभी भी वो है। लेकिन वो जो उस वक्त जो हुआ करता था ना, वो एज ग्रुप अब चेंज हो गया है। देखो आंटी वहाँ पर बैठी है, जी हाँ, तब उनके अभी छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन है, ग्रेट ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन है। एक वो जो एक फ़ैन फॉलोइंग था, वो अब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में चला गया है, हाँ, अब उनके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन आ गए, तो बीच का जो सेक्शन था वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग है मेरे लाइफ में।
And it's going to be my second ever performance. I performed last year in Madrid at the IFA, and this is my second performance, so I'm excited, and it's a big honor for me to be a part of this team. Yes, and I'm happy.
You're gonna kill it, Suraj Baba.
I will try, sir.
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि जब मैं आज आ रहा था तो मैंने ट्वीट किया कि I'll be attending this press conference. तो पाकिस्तान में जितने भी आपके फॉलोअर्स हैं, जितने भी फैंस हैं, उन्होंने मेरे से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा कि काश हम भी जा सकते थे, काश हम भी मिल सकते थे, काश वो यहाँ भी आ सकते थे.
क्यों नहीं आए?
और हर एक फैन की ये ख्वाहिश होती है कि वो अपने हीरो के साथ मिले. अपने आपकी फिल्में उधर भी इतनी चलती है परसेंटेज के लिहाज से जितनी इंडिया में, मिडिल ईस्ट में यहाँ
जी.
तो क्वेश्चन यही है कि आप कब वहाँ पर आ रहे हैं अपनी फिल्म की प्रमोशन के लिए, या फ्यूचर में ऐसे प्लान्स हैं आपके?
जी हाँ, जब मैं 15 साल का था तो मैं कराची को आया था, क्योंकि जो डैड के तरफ से जो फैमिली है वहाँ पर अभी भी हैं. वहाँ से शायद काफ़ी लोग निकल भी गए. तो कोई ह्यूस्टन में है, तो फिर कोई मायामी में है, और लंदन में काफ़ी लोग हैं. तो अभी वहाँ पे कम फैमिली बची है. लेकिन अगर प्रमोशन के लिए जाना पड़ेगा तो कभी इंशाल्लाह चले जाएंगे अच्छे हालात में. So we did a film called what was it called? Wanted. We did a film called Wanted together, and then he used to show me the dance step, and I used to go and do it exactly the way he did it. And he's go, no sir, what are you doing, sir? Sir, one more, sir. I said, why, Prabhu? It's all good. I mean, look at that, yeah. I've done it exactly the way he did. No sir, come sir, see sir. And I see it on video. I said, it's looking fine. He said, no sir, this is not looking fine, sir. You're doing something else only, sir, altogether. He used to get so pissed off with me. Really pissed off with me. And then eventually he said, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir.
Being a beauty icon, what's given you inspiration for the Dabang performances? What sort of looks have you told your team to really keep for you?
Well, it's a really big show, so I just remember telling my entire team that
make lots of clothes.
Just make the brightest, biggest, best you can, because this is the biggest show that I've ever done. So yeah, it had to be the best, and the audience is, I think, really going to be in for something amazing. So yeah, I think lots of glitter, lots of Bollywood, and lots of fun. Yeah.
All I say, 11 years. 11. It took me 11 years from 2006 till now.
Wow.
And I went to Mumbai, and I said, I'm not going back to London. And I told the family that I'm not coming back till he gives me the date. No. So it took me 5 months. I was there 5 months.
Yeah, wow. That's true. That's true.
What has inspired you to become an actor?
I really don't know. Seriously, I really don't know. No, the mic looks very good in his hand. Really good in his hand. Thank you. So I really don't know. So, when I was growing up, okay, I pretty much look like you. Yeah. And I played a lot of sports and, hung around with older boys and girls. And then I was okay in studies and I started modeling. And after that, I don't know how this happened for me. So I just lucked out. I totally lucked out. And today sometimes I do miss my education. I thought I should have completed it, but at some given point in time, if I have another tube light, I perhaps might go back to studying again, a little bit. I'll have some time.
आपने कहा 3 दफ़े, काफ़ी कम चला रहे हैं।
हर घंटे में 3 दफ़ा।
हाँ। मैं तो पार्टी करने आया हूँ यहाँ पर. मैंने तो पार्टी करनी है स्टेज पे. मतलब मेरे पे थोड़ी टेंशन कम है. सबको अपना रूटीन वगैरह तैयार करना पड़ा था, लेकिन मेरे को तो बस गाना गाना है. जो मैं बाथरूम में करता हूँ यही करूँगा, कपड़े पहन के. That's it.
Yes, not.
Is it working? Yeah, hi. Thanks, Faridun. Honestly, I never plan anything. Firstly, this is my first trip to UK. So twice really? Twice I got the visa, but the shows got cancelled. So people people say you need a visa to come to UK. I say you need Salman Khan to come to UK. So thanks to you, sir. But honestly, Faridun, I never plan anything. I think these are the people, the audience. I reciprocate what I get. So I just enjoy myself, and I'm here to enjoy, and just looking forward to have good fun.
Hello everyone. मेरा क्वेश्चन मनीष आपके लिए है, लेकिन मैं सबसे पहले सलमान से कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ. सलमान, I love you.
Love you, Manish.
I love you too.
ओके मनीष, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए है।
जी।
आप बहुत अच्छे होस्ट
जी।
हैं और जब भी हम आपका शो देखते हैं बड़ा मजा आ जाता है, बहुत मस्ती करते हैं।
जी।
तो आई एम श्योर कि ये जो शो है उसमें भी आप यही सब करने वाले हैं, लेकिन इसके अलावा क्या हमें आपकी डांसिंग परफॉर्मेंस भी देखने को मिलेगी?
अरे आपको पता नहीं है क्या धमाल होने वाला है।
सच में?
जैसे ही शो स्टार्ट होगा वो 5 मिनट आप मिस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वही मेरा डांस परफॉर्मेंस है। क्योंकि उसके बाद सारे स्टार्स आने वाले हैं। बट अगेन सॉरी सर, आपको फिर से थैंक यू कहना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई टेल यू वन थिंग हियर। मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रहा था, कोई मुझे परफॉर्मेंस कराए, डांस कराए, बट पता नहीं लोगों को मेरे में डांस दिखा ही नहीं। बट सलमान सर को ऐसा डांस दिखा, उन्होंने कहा बेटा तू एक काम कर, तू ओपन कर। सो क्योंकि उनको पता था तब तक लोग आ रहे होते हैं, तो मिस भी होगा तो कोई बात नहीं। सो या बट आई होप यू पीपल एंजॉय माई डांस ऑल्सो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर कॉलिंग मी अ गुड होस्ट। ऋतु नंबर भी दे दो।
Thank you very much for answering that question.
That's a difficult one actually. I'd rather choose Mercy then.
I think Kala Chashma. Are we getting?
And which one would you perform to?
Sorry?
Which one would you perform to?
I just said Mercy.
Mercy.
No, then there's one song that I've never performed on, that is Love You Till the End. So that would be the song.
Excellent. Thank you very much for answering those questions. Let's move on to our next journalist, the gentleman over there in the black hoodie.
ब्रेसलेट में बोल लो सर, पाजी ब्रेसलेट में बोल लो, आवाज आ जाएगी यहाँ। हाँ पाजी ब्रेसलेट में बोल लो, आवाज आ जाएगी। हम लोग ये बात कर रहे हैं। जी भाई। क्वेश्चन जी 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 किसमें? लंदन में। हाँ लंदन में बातचीत हो रही है अभी। आई थिंक जाने से पहले I'll finalize that. हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह।
Okay, thank you very much. That was our last question, but I have one final question for our wonderful panel here today. इतने सारे हमने concerts देखे, so many people have come on tour to the UK.
अरे यार ये आमिर खान looking लौंडा कौन है यार? अच्छा।
But I have to ask you, what sets the Bung aside from all the other tours that we'll have seen? What makes it so unique? And I would like to ask
Is that for me? I was not listening.
for all of you. I'd like to ask you, but then everyone else answer as well. What makes the Bung such a unique tour for us?
Oh.
Only one support by like.
Presents The Bang, the tour in association with ZTV.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे? Hi, my name is Salman Khan.
Hi guys, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
Hi, this is Prabhu Deva.
Hey everyone, this is Jacqueline Fernandez.
Hey guys, मैं हूँ सूरज पंचोली.
Hey guys, this is Daisy Shah.
Hi, this is Manish Paul. What's up guys, this is Badshah.
Hi, this is Kumar Khan.
Screwed up the year. Catch you all live for the Bang Tour.
Be ready for the tour.
So you guys better be there.
See you guys soon.
Be there.
See you soon!
Till then, be cool, be safe, be happy.
On Saturday, 16th September at Barclaycard Arena, Birmingham, and on Sunday, 17th September at the O2 Arena, London. For more information and tickets, visit thebang.uk.